This video is going to show you how to recalibrate your Neo 1 sensor using the ice water method. Basically, this method works because we already know that ice has to be at a freezing temperature to form. So meaning either 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. What we do is by comparing our sensor's reading to this known temperature, this freezing temperature, we can compare the sensor readings to it and recalibrate the sensor to get the proper temperature. So all we need for this is just a container big enough to submerge your sensor and a bag and some coins. That's it. And then we need to go ahead and fill this with a 50-50 mixture of ice and water. What we're going to do next is go ahead and place our sensor in the bag. Why we're doing this is because although the Neo 1 is graded for really high humidity, it's not graded to be fully submerged. Now what we'll do next, go ahead and just put some coins in there to weigh the bag down so you can get a good reading here. Go ahead and seal this up. I'm going to go ahead and set it in there. Now let the sensor sit in the ice bath for up to a minute or so, just until our sensor is displaying consistent readings on our app. Now, if your sensor isn't displaying, there is a button on the back you can press. Go ahead and do that. The blue light will flash, and then you'll be able to refresh your app and see your sensor on there. So once you get in there, open your app, click on your sensor, and choose the configure button. Next, choose calibrate. So for this recalibration, just choose 1 point since we're only using one known standard to measure against. In the first box, enter the measurement your Neo is currently showing. That might not be exactly 0 degrees Celsius or 32 Fahrenheit, that's okay. Just enter the current reading. Now in the second box, go ahead and enter the known reading. For this, because it's ice water, it's going to be 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. You may need to press the button on the back of the reading again after you save your settings, just to let it refresh and send you a new reading. Now, in a few moments, you'll see the updated, more accurate readings that should be very close to freezing, if not right on there.